Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got a good one for you today. We're looking at the latest price action for Ethereum, and I have a huge update to give you in terms of my current position. Now, on the channel, what we were looking at last time was this bear flag. I said on my last video that only if we go above $2,500, I will get out my short. So I'm still in this short because actually we only came up to about $2,480. If you missed it, here was the 2-second clip. The only case where I'll flip bullish and I'll get out of this short position I'm in is if we break around $2,500. So that was it. We didn't break 2.5. There was strong resistance there. So I'm still in my short position, guys, and I believe the price action's going lower. I'm going to give you my updates on the levels, and there is a big update in this one. I'm going to give you exactly the point that I'm looking to potentially buy, whether it be for my short term, for my trading, and for my bigger HODL positions, like where I'm going to go into the market to start actually making some serious investments for the long term. If that sounds good, guys, you know what to do. Smash up the like. Really goes a long way. I appreciate your support. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. We talk about daily price action. And even if you're not new, if you're one of my subscribers for a while now and you haven't turned the bell on, what are you waiting for? You'll get my notifications before, well, not before anyone else, at the same time as everyone else, but you'll get the notification, guys. So here we go. Let's check out the chart. By the way, I'm also going to show you guys in this video, just after this, the chart that we have from our academy. I'm going to be talking you through this trend line chart. I think you'll find that very interesting in terms of support and resistance. But first of all, let's check out this 4-hour chart. We'll look at this together and see what's going on. So still a bear flag. I consider it still to be a bear flag. I still believe lower price action is on the way. So if you missed the last video, or just as a recap, what we're looking at here is a target approximately potentially as low as around 1650, 1700. I think that would probably be unlikely that will go that low, and I'll show you why that is, and I'm going to show you the levels that I'm looking actually to take profit and re-enter long positions, because I don't believe we're going to go to that level. I'll show you why. Let's get into this chart, the 4-hour trendline chart. Again, this is from our academy. It's one of the staples that we use in addition to our very famous ARC system. In fact, before we cover this chart, I think it's important I just show you this ARC, because like I said, in our academy we use the ARC system, and it's how we very accurately predict market predictions basically. And currently we are at the resistance point, potentially of danger of breaking to the upside out of it on this ARC. But what we're currently looking at is a target, I would suggest, down to around $2,100. I guess that, yeah, I mean, we've got support here of $2,074 on this 4-hour trend line. What you can also see here, guys, is that we're very much at a point of resistance right now with this sloping previous support line. You can see how it was previous support, now all the way back here, guys. It goes all the way back there, now acting as resistance. So I'm expecting something like this. We come down, maybe about 11 or 12% drop down to at least 2,150, but more likely around 2,050, $2,075. By the way, if you want to keep up to date with my trading, my real-time trade signals and what I'm doing, check out the Telegram link down below. You can follow my signals for free. You simply just need to use my affiliated BYBIT account, and that's how I monetize it, to be quite honest with you. I give them for free. You get a bonus up to $4,100. I get a bonus as well, unfortunately not as much as $4,000 bonus, but I get a small kickback when you trade with me. So that's what I'm currently looking at in this ARC. This ARC looks like, to me, the price action's going lower. In addition to that, I'm guessing, I'll check it out, I'm guessing that the moving average is pushing us down as well. Yeah, I mean, you can see the ribbon, the moving average EMA, is definitely pushing us down as resistance. So likely scenarios here is we're coming down to at least $2,100 in the short term, and then we'll decide what we're doing before then. Obviously, a falling wedge like this, or falling descending triangle, is bullish. You break out of them more times than you don't, maybe 70-75% time. However, we are coming from higher price action, and this could be a continuation of the channel. So I'm going to go into this chart and talk more about the levels there. And oh, very quickly, guys, if you're not already doing so, do follow me on Twitter at MilesLMoney. Currently giving away $1,000, 1,000 USDT. It's the pinned tweets. You'll find it easily. And I post tweets daily, news and predictions. So I would think you'll find it quite informative there. So I'm posting on there when I'm not posting on YouTube throughout the day. So let's get back into this chart. I'm going to talk to you where I expect the price is going on a bigger time frame here and giving you guys an idea of what I anticipate will happen here. So what you can see in terms of current price action, like I said, we've got all this support beneath us. I see the very low coming down to around $1,750. I think we will follow either this channel or break into this channel and reach those lows. In fact, what would be best off is showing you this on this daily chart, because if I go into the daily and zoom out, for those of you that haven't seen, I've got my Fibonacci retracement levels, and I basically from the previous swing low, and this previous swing low, and when I talk about this, I'm talking about on the daily chart. So we're going back all the way from when the bull cycle started, which in fact, guys, was all the way back in March 2020. If you go swing low, swing high, you can basically see that the golden pocket on the technical levels take you to about $1,900 down to around $1,730. So we could go to that level and remain within the bull cycle. I'm not saying we're not in a... Okay. I nearly contradicted myself by saying we're not in the bull cycle. And then I was going to say, and not in the bear market. We're in between. Microphone's back, guys. If you stayed with me through that, smash the like button. I hope I didn't lose too many people there. Guys, yeah, this is the likely level that will go. But what I was saying is we're kind of in the middle of being bullish and bearish. It is technically a bear market because we've broken a lot of resistant support levels, but it's still to be 100% confirmed, let's say. It could be somewhat of a bull trap. We're all waiting to see what level of the market we're in right now. But if you take anything away from this video, my summary is this. I believe in the short term, we're more likely to come down, unless, of course, we break out and we get volume here and we break above $2,500 and we confirm that on the 4 hour. We would have to confirm this on the 4 hour before switching bullish. And yeah, but the target for me is still somewhere around $2,100. And guys, if you want to take advantage of that trade, BYBIT is the place to do that. It's the best trading platform, and with my link, you'll get $4,100 down below. And of course, guys, if you want to learn how to trade, Marzel Trading Academy, you can check out the information down below. Thank you for joining me. Check out any one of these videos before you go about how to trade on BYBIT or whatever else pops up on my screen right now. Thank you for joining me. See you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.